You guys can look at
There
all
is something in here.
It's not just lunch in there?
No.
Oh, what is that?
No sandwich?
Nice 3D aerial stickers.
And we'll punch your notebooks.
Wow. What do you say, Grandma Marty?
Thank you.
Is there candy in there?
No. And this.
What is that? Oh, happy birthday confetti.
Oh, and there's some more.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you leave it all in your lunchbox?
She's a pain in the oven.
That is a cute lunchbox, isn't it?
Do you want me to open this and put it in your lunchbox?
Uh-huh.
That'll get all from me.
There's a teddy bear on the front.
Ooh, teddy bear. Socks.
Oh, that's a pretty one.
Hey.
I think it's teddy bear.
And you have a brown teddy bear too, Nikki.
I
All
know.
kinds of teddy bears. Kill your teddy bear.
Can you help me, Dad?
Yeah.
It's disgusting how best to torture you.
Mom can help you because I'm videoing.
I still take a rubberized M16 and shoot you with it till you die.
He's mean. It's Mommy's birthday.
Yeah, it's Mommy's birthday now.
No.
Wait, you guys get my
I don't
birthday.
think she wants to have her next
You don't
birthday.
get a birthday.
Even if
Your
I have
birthday
it,
is
it
when-
makes you look even older.
Wow. I got that one on video.
Well, we just got to, we really got
this-
to do that one around John.
Put this-
The next birthday Tammy has, we have to really do something.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
You should wrap her gift up like you wrapped my cell phone, Dad.
Wait, we should make the confetti out of cake.
Oh, wow.
I have glasses. I have flip-flops.
Your birthday is a day of world tragedy. Everybody cried.
Bathing suit.
Ariel wrap.
It's a towel wrap for your
Yeah,
bathing
it's
suit.
got a little hood on it.
Cute is
Try your
that?
flip-flops on.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
These are nice. I like these.
No.
Somebody can tell me. I've never square.
Here,
Right.
Nikki,
No.
Nikki,
No.
try them on.
Oh, nonsense. Why
If
would
they
I
don't fit you, I'll
ever be
take 'em.
jealous of you?
Grandma.
What? Oh, isn't that? I don't know.
Try
I
'em on.
like those flip-flops.
You gonna try them on?
I did.
She did.
She's good.
Alright, we're gonna cut off the video here.
Can you help me open this?